You probably use Canva for Instagram stories, work presentations, maybe even your resume. It's simple, clean, and just works. But there's a lot more under the hood than you think. Today, we're diving into 15 things you didn't know about Canva. Welcome to Entrepreneurial Edge, where we break down the tools and stories shaping modern business. Canva has democratized design for millions, and its journey is full of surprises. If you want more deep dives like this, hit like and subscribe. Let's get started. Canva was co-founded in 2013 by Melanie Perkins, Cliff Obrecht, and Cameron Adams, not in Silicon Valley, but in Perth, Australia. Their global mindset from day one proves you don't need to be in a tech hub to build a world-changing company. Melanie Perkins pitched Canva to over 100 investors and got rejected every time. Her persistence and belief in the idea shaped Canva's culture. It's a reminder, resilience is as important as innovation. Success is built on a mountain of no's. That's a spec worth respecting. Canva's roots go back to Fusion Books, an online yearbook tool Perkins built to simplify design for students. That drag-and-drop simplicity became the blueprint for Canva's global success. Canva is now valued at over $25 billion, joining the ranks of SpaceX and Stripe. Their freemium model brought in hundreds of millions of users, with just a fraction converting to Pro, enough to generate billions. It's a business model that's as scalable as it is effective. Canva's presentation mode isn't just full-screen slides. With Canva Live, your audience can submit questions in real time, and you can trigger effects like confetti, all without leaving your deck. It's a built-in webinar tool hiding in plain sight, perfect for interactive presentations. Canva's free content library offers millions of high-quality photos, graphics, and templates. Pro users get even more, saving time and money on stock assets. It's a massive ecosystem that keeps users coming back. Canva Pro's Content Planner lets you design and schedule posts for multiple platforms, no extra apps needed. It streamlines your workflow from creation to publishing. For creators and small businesses, it's a huge time saver. Canva isn't just for graphics anymore. With docs, whiteboards, websites, and a video editor, it's taking on Microsoft Office and Google Workspace. Canva wants to be your all-in-one productivity suite. Canva lets teams collaborate live on the same design, see edits, leave comments, and work together in real time. No more endless email chains or version confusion. It's a game changer for creative teams, especially remote ones. Canva for Education is free for K-12 teachers and students worldwide, unlocking all pro features. It's building design literacy into the curriculum and creating lifelong users. A smart business move with real educational impact. Canva Print lets you order business cards, posters, apparel, and more directly from your design. No more juggling files and print shops. It's a seamless bridge from digital to physical. Canva's founders pledged most of their equity to the Canva Foundation, aiming to tackle global challenges. Nonprofits get Canva Pro for free, empowering thousands of organizations. It's a business model with purpose at its core. Canva is localized in over 100 languages, with templates tailored to local cultures and holidays. This attention to detail makes it truly global and relevant everywhere. It's a masterclass in international product design. Canva's Magic AI features like Magic Design, Magic Write, and Magic Edit let you generate templates, text, and even edit images with a prompt. These tools speed up creativity and hint at the future of design. It's not just drag and drop anymore, it's AI-powered. Need a website fast? Canva Websites lets you build and publish a responsive site in minutes. No coding, no hassle. Use a free Canva domain or connect your own. It's web design simplified. That's 15 things you might not have known about Canva. From its Australian roots to its AI-powered future, Canva is redefining design for everyone. If you learned something new, hit like and subscribe to Entrepreneurial Edge. Which Canva secret surprised you most? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more deep dives into the tools shaping our world. See you next time. Not.